To make an appointment for a passport at the post office, start by visiting the United States Postal Service website to find a location that accepts passport applications and offers appointment scheduling. Use the online tool to search for post offices in your area and filter the results to show only those that provide passport services. Once you have found a post office that meets your needs, you can schedule an appointment online or by calling the post office directly. Be prepared to provide some basic information, such as your name, phone number, and the type of passport service you need. Before your appointment, gather all the necessary documents, including proof of citizenship, identification, and a photocopy of both sides of your identification. You will also need to fill out Form DS-11, which is the application for a U.S. passport. You can download and print this form from the U.S. Department of State website or pick one up from the post office. On the day of your appointment, arrive early and bring all the required documents with you. The postal worker will review your application, witness your signature, and send it to the Department of State for processing. The current processing time for passports is typically 6 to 8 weeks. But expedited service is available for an additional fee. It is also important to note that the post office will take a passport photo for you, or you can bring your own. The photo must meet specific requirements, such as being 2 inches by 2 inches in size and having a white background. After submitting your application, you can track the status of your passport online or by contacting the National Passport Information Center. Once your passport is processed, it will be mailed to you via first-class mail, and you will receive an email with tracking information. Remember to make a copy of your passport application and supporting documents, and keep them in a safe place. This will help you to easily access the information if you need to check on the status of your application or renew your passport in the future. By following these steps, you can easily make an appointment for a passport at the post office and get the travel documents you need.